We're excited to share 2 new security updates we've added to the account sign-in and MFA flows in Syncro: security keys and compromised password detection. First, we'll take a look at our new security keys update. While we've always enforced MFA since launching Syncro, we've added the ability to configure any FIDO U2F key such as YubiKey and Google Titan keys, or any hardware and OS combination that supports WebAuthn. Once configured, you'll now be presented with the option to authenticate with your security key by default at login. To configure your security key, you'll want to head to your user menu in Syncro and select the Profile Password option. Click the new Hardware Security Keys button and select Register Security Key. Next, you'll be prompted to give your security key a recognizable nickname for ease of management in the future. Last, you'll be prompted to touch Activate your security key for us to complete the registration. And just like that, you're all set. With your key now configured, you'll be prompted to authenticate with your security key by default in future logins. You'll continue to have access to authenticating via an Authenticator app or by initiating MFA recovery, as we'll continue to provide these options after setting up your key. To manage your security keys, simply head back to the Profile Password section from your user menu. Select Hardware Security Keys, and you'll be presented with the options to register additional security keys to your user account or to remove any of your existing keys. Now, let's take a look at our new Compromised Login Password Detection setting. Once enabled, we'll securely scan your password hash at login using the web service Have I Been Pawned to determine whether the login password you used to access Syncro has appeared in any data breach on record. If we determine that your login password has appeared in a previous data breach, we'll generate an info banner at sign-in informing you the number of times it's appeared in a data breach, recommending that you update your password in both Syncro as well as anywhere else your password may be used. While we do not enforce that you update your password, selecting the Update Password option in the banner will take you to your Profile Password Settings page for you to begin your password reset flow. After resetting your password in Syncro, we'll rescan and clear the flag, assuming your new password hasn't appeared in any data breaches either. To enable compromised password detection, you'll want to head to the admin page and select the Login Settings option under Employee Settings. Flip the toggle to Enable Compromised Login Password Detection and save your settings. Once enabled, we'll securely scan your password, as well as the rest of your team's passwords, at each future login and notify you and your team if we determine it's been potentially compromised. We'll also log any detections for your team in the User Settings section of the admin page, denoted by the warning icon next to the corresponding user. You may also enable notification triggers should you or your team wish to be notified in the event that a compromised login password was detected. Simply head to the Notification Center in your admin settings to enable. Here, you can configure triggers to alert just yourself in the event that your password was detected, or to be notified in the event that you or anyone else on your team was detected as potentially compromised.